Actually, kinakabahan na I really don't know the feeling currently. Parang excited na kinakabahan. Nagmi-mix na siya and all. Pagising ko, sabi ko, thankful kasi umabot kami sa araw na to. It has been a year actually. Last year, May 1, eksakto, we got engaged. Then, grabe. Preparation and all nakakapagod. Pero we know that it's all worth it talaga.
Happy, very happy. It's very important because we prayed for this. Because it's finally here. Very stressful pero worth it. Hi babe, this is it. Thank you babe. This is just a small gift. Love you, appreciate it. Hope you appreciate it, sorry. Love you.
Gusto niya ako lagi kasama sa lahat ng milestones and achievements and problems na meron siya. So, napakaganda nito kasi yun nga, yung taong makakasama mo, alam mo na ikaw yung hinahanap niya sa bawat pagsubok sa buhay.
My son, you're such a responsible human being. I would want to think that we have raised you well. Love your wife, treat her as a queen, and you will be his king forever.
We've been through a lot, very maraming away and stuff, pero I'm very blessed to be here in this moment with you, along with our families and in front of God to, ayun, for this ceremony.
Babe, happy wedding day to us. I hope magustuhan mo yung gift ko. I bought this for you to use every day. I love you.
Hi babe, grabe, this is it na talaga. Starting today, no more kailan tayo magkikita ulit. No more days without seeing you in person. I never thought na ganito kabilis ang panahon. It has been a year ago since we got engaged, May 1, 2023 to be exact. And I can still remember like it was yesterday.
Dear Aaron, as we stand in the brink of forever, I find myself reflecting on our incredible relationship. A journey that began sa church. We were kids then, pero from those early days, God was weaving our stories together. And from friends, we became soulmates with divine and loving hand.
Na this is the happiest day of your life. So, best wishes and enjoy it. Enjoy your being a wife.
Thankful ako kasi umabot tayo dito despite of all the problems and pag-aaway na meron tayo. Very thankful and grateful having you in my life.
Do you understand and accept this responsibility? And do you promise to do your very best each day to create a loving, healthy, and happy marriage?
Yes, Pastor.
Esther, do you understand and accept this responsibility? And do you promise to do your very best each day to create a loving, healthy, and happy marriage?
Yes, Papa. You are the answer to my prayers, a gift from God that I cherish more deeply with each passing day.
No more you or me. It will always be you and me. Congrats to us, babe, for making this wedding as a successful one. We really made it. I love you.
As we prepare to vow our lives to each other, I'm grateful for God's provision and the love He has nurtured between us. I love you.